Namaskar. Why do we need to consume anti-inflammatory foods? Our immune system does excellent job to keep us healthy and fit by fighting foreign particles like bacteria, pollen and chemicals. But this often triggers process called inflammation. Inflammation is directed towards highly dangerous foreign inventor to fight them and protect your health. However, at times inflammation might remain for long even when you are not attacked by foreign invader. This means that inflammation becomes bad for our own health. Cancer, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, depression, and Alzheimer are a few conditions that have been related to chronic inflammation. Nature has given a solution to all our problems. Natural and unprocessed food provides nourishment as well as assists in the treatment of various health problems. Today, I am going to share with you three most powerful anti-inflammatory drinks produced with natural ingredients that can help you naturally stay fit and reduce inflammation in our body. First, Jamu juice. Jamu juice is a popular Indonesian drink. Jamu juice has anti-inflammatory and immune boosting property. It's a nutrient-dense drink that is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes to replenish your body. Now understand the ingredients. Fresh turmeric, fresh ginger, black pepper, lemon, honey and coconut water. Peel and chop turmeric and ginger root. Add it into a blender. Now add black pepper powder and coconut water. Blend it well. Pour this into a vessel and bring it to a boil. Now reduce the gas to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Now turn off the gas, add lemon juice and honey, stir it well, and now strain it, and then it's ready for drinking. This is a very good anti-inflammatory drink. Second drink, pineapple turmeric smoothie. Turmeric's active compound curcumin has anti-inflammatory property, which helps to relieve pain and inflammation. It also releases osteoarthritis pain and naturally improves joint mobility. Turmeric also has antibacterial and antiseptic property, making it a good disinfector. Ginger is another great ingredient. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer property. This smoothie is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin D, potassium, along with other vitamins and nutrients. Now understand how to make this smoothie. Take 1 cup of pineapple cubes, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon fresh grated turmeric, 1 tablespoon fresh grated ginger, and 1 glass of milk. In a blender, add all these ingredients. Then blend it, say about 30 seconds, until it is a thick smoothie. This is your delicious anti-inflammatory drink. It is ready. Third drink, elderberry tea. Elderberries are powerful anti-inflammatory berries. Elderberries contain antioxidants that supports the immune system and have been widely used to treat cold and respiratory infections. They are high in flavonoids, even vitamin A, vitamin C, and quite a lot of dietary fibers, all of which can help reduce inflammation and pain. You can check for elderberry packs or elderberry powder in nearby store. Nowadays, everything is available online. Elderberry tea is very simple to make. It takes few minutes. In a vessel, add 2 cups of water, 2 scoops of elderberry, 1 cinnamon stick, lemon juice and cloves. Boil all these ingredients in a medium flame. When the berry is showing its color, then stir the tea and boil it on a high flame. Once it starts boiling well, then turn the gas on low flame again and let the tea simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the gas and strain the tea and then drink. You can also add little honey for better taste. So, try these delicious and beneficial drinks to reduce inflammation naturally. We can all take steps to keep ourselves healthy and help our body accomplish what they were designed to do, which is to heal themselves with little bit of care and control. Namaskar.